Got a business and wondering if you can swipe, tap, or insert your way to accepting payments with Airwallex? That's a question many entrepreneurs, e-commerce giants, and even small business owners are asking as they navigate the ever-evolving landscape of global finance. And it's a good one, because in today's digital world, card payments are no longer a luxury, they're a necessity. So, let's dive into whether Airwallex, a rising star in the fintech universe, truly embraces the power of plastic. You might already be familiar with Airwallex's reputation for streamlining international money transfers, offering multi-currency accounts, and simplifying global payroll. They've built a strong foundation on making cross-border transactions smoother and more affordable. But what about the front end of your business, how your customers actually pay you? This is where the rubber meets the road for many businesses. If your customers are used to the convenience of paying with their debit or credit cards, you need a solution that keeps pace. The good news, and the short answer, is a resounding yes, Airwallex does accept card payments. But it's not just a simple yes and done. It's a nuanced solution designed for businesses operating on a global scale. Airwallex isn't your traditional point-of-sale (POS) system that you might find in a physical retail store, though they do offer solutions that integrate with e-commerce platforms. Their strength lies in facilitating online card payments, making them an excellent choice for businesses with an international customer base or those primarily operating online. Think about it. If you're selling handmade crafts from Nigeria to customers in the US, Europe, or Asia, you need a payment gateway that can handle various currencies and card types seamlessly. Airwallex steps in here, offering a robust payment gateway that allows your customers to pay with their Visa, MasterCard, and other major credit and debit cards. They even support local payment methods in various regions, further enhancing the customer experience and potentially increasing conversion rates. This is a significant advantage. Imagine a customer in Germany trying to buy from your online store. If your payment gateway only accepts local Nigerian cards, you've just lost a sale. Airwallex bridges that gap, allowing you to accept payments in the customer's preferred currency, which is then converted and settled in your Airwallex multi-currency account. This not only makes the transaction smoother for your customer but also helps you avoid hefty foreign exchange fees that often come with traditional banking methods. Their payment gateway integrates directly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Magento, and WooCommerce, making it straightforward to set up and start accepting card payments on your online store. They also offer APIs for custom integrations, providing flexibility for businesses with unique needs. Security is, of course, paramount when dealing with card payments, and Airwallex employs advanced fraud detection and security measures to protect both your business and your customers' financial information. So, while Airwallex might not be the solution for a physical storefront looking for a traditional POS terminal, it's an incredibly powerful tool for any business that operates online, conducts international sales, or simply wants to offer their customers the convenience of paying with their cards from anywhere in the world. It's about empowering your business to truly be global, removing payment barriers, and expanding your reach. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.